What's up guys, Vansbreak here back with another video, and in this video guys I'll be showing you how to export your images in very high quality. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see guys, we are in Adobe Photoshop 2018. So this is the most recent header that I've done, so don't forget to check it out on Twitter. I'll leave my Twitter down below, go follow me. So guys, first what you're gonna do is just to group all your layers. So click on the layer on the bottom and this one, the first one, and make Ctrl J to group it and just name it whatever you want. I'll call it final design. Then guys, what you're gonna do is just to duplicate this layer by clicking Ctrl G and click on Ctrl E to name it. I would call it image, and make sure that you hide the final design group. Then guys, what you're gonna do is just to add your looks or your CCs or whatever you want. Then go to this layer and make it 99 opacity, as you can see guys, and there you go. So then guys, what you're gonna do is just to go to file and export and save for web legacy. Then make sure that you choose the PNG24 preset. Then guys, what you're gonna do is just to go to quality and changing to bill layer. There you go, and make sure that you put it on original and not on the optimize it, because there is different. I don't know why, but make sure that there is a difference on both of them. Then guys, you can save your image. I will save it in my desktop like that. Second thing guys, what you're gonna do is just to go to your browser and search for anger.com. This is the website that you can upload your images with really high quality. So go to new post, just go to your desktop and just drag your image here. Then guys, you're gonna wait 2 seconds to upload. Then guys, you can copy the link and put it on your Twitter post. So guys, here is the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe for the channel. See you in the next one.